Welcome to Lavon's Kitchen. Today we are in the kitchen doing part 3 of our series entitled Gravy 101. Part 3 will consist of beef gravy. If you've been following along with us, you know that part 1 was brown gravy, part 2 was sausage gravy. Now we're doing part 3, beef gravy. So while I get everything ready, you know what I need you to do. That's right. Hit that subscribe button and I'll be back. So the easiest way to make beef gravy would be to take some brown gravy mix and mix it with some beef drippings. But we're gonna do it from scratch today. So our ingredients are going to be black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, beef broth, cornstarch, and water. Now, in order to get the beef drippings, I've got to use beef. Hang on. So, I've got some beef. It's some shaved beef, actually, sitting here marinating. So, I'm gonna cook my beef first, and then we're going to go ahead and get those drippings so that we can make our gravy. Okay? Hang on. Now you can use whatever type of beef you want. I actually thought that I had some beef strips, but it's shaved beef. But beef is beef. Use whatever kind of beef. We're just trying to get some beef drippings. So I've got some oil in this pan, and I'm gonna go ahead and put my meat in here and cook my meat. While that's cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and make our slurry. And our slurry consists of 4 tablespoons of cornstarch and a 1/3 cup of water. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mix that up right quick so that that'll be ready. This is what's gonna make our gravy thick. So I'm gonna mix this up and then just set it to the side. As you can see down in there how that oil has different bits and pieces in it, that's going to be our drippings. Because what it is the oil and it's the flavor from the meat. That's what makes the drippings. Okay, now that my meat is done, I'm going to take that out of the pan and just leave the drippings in here. Now you can see what's left. That's called your drippings, okay? So, I forgot one of my ingredients, and that's butter. I'm gonna add a 1/3 cup of butter in there. Melt our butter in here. You see those bits down in there, our dripping? That's where we're gonna get some of our flavor from that beef, okay? Not to mention the butter. Then we're gonna go ahead and add our slurry. Now we're gonna add our slurry in there. See how thick that's getting? Next, we're gonna add our beef broth. Stir that up. Your whisk is gonna be your best friend. Right now, this whisk is what's keeping your gravy from having lumps. You saw those big lumps that were there, but we're gonna whisk those out of there. Now, see those lumps are gone? We're gonna turn this down and let it just heat for a minute. All right, now let's add our seasonings. We have our onion powder. We have 3 teaspoons of onion powder. We have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And then I'm just gonna add some black pepper. I didn't measure it. You can put as much or little as you want. Now I want to add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. And you tell me what that looks like. That's brown gravy. I mean, beef gravy. But I'm gonna show you some things. I'm gonna add some other things to it. You don't have to do this because technically right now, this gravy is done. I'm gonna let it cook just for a little longer so that it can thicken up. Okay, let's see how thick our gravy is right now. Look at the back of the spoon. So if you let it cook a little longer, it will get a little thicker. It's up to you how thick you want your gravy, okay? I'm gonna let mine cook just for 1 more minute. But remember, our gravy is done. That's beef gravy. But I'm gonna do something extra to mine. You don't have to do this because this is not technically part of the beef gravy video. I'm just showing you what I'm gonna do with my beef gravy, okay? So, first of all, I'm going to put my meat back into my gravy. And let's mix it up real good. So I was supposed to be making pepper steak and I had the wrong type of meat, but it's okay. I'm gonna put my peppers and onions in here now. I just wanted to show you the gravy first. And we are done. I have my beef gravy, which I added my beef back into, and I added some peppers, onions, and that were sauteed. Now, just let me taste it and we'll be done. You know it's hot, so me trying, oh, I forgot to show you how much it thickened up even more. Look at that. But I'm gonna taste it. Now, one thing I wanted to do is taste it. If you noticed, I didn't put any salt in it. You can put salt in yours. Salt to your taste. Don't even need salt. You know, you guys know I usually use a lot of salt. But just want you to see how good that looks. You see that smoke, so it's hot. But I am going to put this over some rice, enjoy my dinner, and guess what? I'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye.